Hello, welcome to Well Creators. Friends, you can see we have opened the trading view, so I'm going to speak something about the technical stocks. So try to learn from this video and try to gain the knowledge and do some practice on each and every day. At least you should learn, or if you should see at least 5 charts in a day or 10 charts in a day, so that you keep on practicing the technical knowledge. So okay, let's begin, friends. My very first stock is Tanla Platforms. So it's a daily time frame, and you can see in the daily time frame it has been trading in this range for very quite long time. That is from February till October. So it is been in one range only. So I'll draw one um, box over here, as it has been trading in this range only. That range is somewhere around uh, 1030 1030. This is also at same level, and today it almost came near 1020 levels. And I would like to draw one support line over here. So you can see this stock has hit quite a long time and try to pull back on the upward journey. So I'll consider this as one of the indicating support. So friends, you can see this his earning also has been came out, I think today only, maybe. Yes, I think it's today, 21st of October. Okay, so today it's earning day is there. I am shooting the video at night 1 a.m. So today is the result. So avoid taking the stock today. Let's see what the result comes. And I think if the results are good, we may see a breakout in this. Also, I would like to update you that this stock is in ASM category. So let's wait for this stock to come out of the ASM category, and there should be two clauses about this box. Then only we will consider as it as a buying. And I would like to share you one more thing. You can see a trend line breakout is happening over here. So this also indicates that stock has been in good momentum now, and expect it to cross over 10,000 1030 levels. Let's see if it crosses these levels or not. I hope you have learned from this one of the chart. So let me share you one more chart. It's Metropolis Healthcare. Okay, so this is Metropolis Healthcare. This stock from June month is also into the same range. You can see a good volume has been built up today, expecting it to cross at least this resistance. So let's see how the chart becomes. So draw one trend line cutting this, okay, and a short support line. So see, you can see a stock has just given a breakout, and it has been also trading in that same range only. So it has one of the major resistance, you can see here. I'll show you one of the major resistance. Stock has tried to hit this area, again it has fallen, but when you see this area, there is one more resistance before that, and I think this resistance is more important. This resistance is more important than the above one. I'll tell you the reason for this. See, whenever stock has gone this in this range on a daily time frame, fall has been continuously. A big fall has been happening. Two candles, three candles, one big candle, many candles over here. Again a big fall. So there might be chances that at 3090 or 3100 levels we might see a fall again. If the volume is more, if the strength is more, then we might see a big breakout happening over here. So kindly learn from these types of trades or these types of chart knowledge where you can grow yourself. I hope this video will also help you to grow in terms of technical knowledge also. I hope, friends, these are the two trades you can watch out for. It's not advice to buy, it's just to learn from you, learn the trades, and try to practice more towards when you do some trades. So I hope you have liked this video, do follow us on Instagram, on Twitter, and on YouTube, and do share this video to your friends and colleagues. Thank you friends for watching this video.